The design concept brings a modern, fresh vibe to the apartment, enhanced with smart wireless battery-powered blinds. White quartzite countertops and gray painted cabinets match with the steel finish appliances. The dining room is located in the open space adjacent to the kitchen, allowing guests to interact between the two spaces. The apartment features a modern design with neutral tones, showcased through the materials used. The office is large enough for 2 desks. The apartment is 76 square meters. This apartment is located in the heart of Inwood, surrounded by Upper Manhattan's most treasured waterfront green spaces. Unlike nearby areas, this location has impressive Art Deco apartment buildings, including this one. This was a 1-bedroom apartment with an eating kitchen and a sunken living room featuring iron handrails on the sides of the steps. The unit had many arches, a true classic of the Art Deco style, which were visible in the original bathroom design and the ceiling moldings. The spacious bedroom with a small closet is filled with natural light. The bathroom had a full-size bathtub, and the foyer had a built-in bookcase. The most significant architectural transformation in this space involved the demolition of the wall between the foyer and the kitchen, resulting in a more cohesive and open layout. This creates a larger dining room area. There is no laundry inside this individual apartment because the building itself offers a recently renovated laundry facility. Upon entering, you find a small hallway with a video intercom console and 3 closets. The closets in the entrance are spacious and provide many storage options. One of the closets was chosen for shoes, coats, and various items. The additional 2 closets, situated to the right of the entrance, offer even more storage solutions, ensuring a tidy and well-organized living space. The size of the foyer allows for decor without feeling overcrowded. The light color used on the walls and doors is incorporated into the space, creating a blank canvas for the furniture to stand out. The acoustic wall provides sound insulation and a decorative touch. The dining area is spacious enough to accommodate a table for 6 people. In the living room, a queen-size Murphy bed features cabinets and drawers on both sides, integrated lighting, power outlets, and USB ports for charging devices, as well as enough space to hang and store belongings. Maximizing the large bedroom, it was divided into 2 distinct spaces, a bedroom and a small office. The original closet in the bedroom became the office closet, necessitating a new closet for the bedroom. This new closet conceals ample storage and wardrobes. A customized wardrobe was the best option, so IKEA Path's wardrobe system was chosen, which allows you to create the wardrobe design online according to your needs. High gloss white was chosen for the closet doors because they are reflective and pick up the light from the bedroom windows. The US flag in the hallway conceals the electric box, adding a local vibe. The bathroom benefits from natural light and features a white color palette, creating a sense of lightness. The light travertine tiles in the bathroom give the whole space a really earthy feel. The tiles Marble Pro Matte 12 inches by 24 inches in a horizontal running bond orientation enhance the perception of a space, making the bathroom feel wider. A cantilever vanity mirror was put in place, providing adequate storage behind the door. The bathtub was removed and replaced with a large shower. A frameless top roller tempered glass sliding shower door delivers a sleek, contemporary aesthetic, significantly enhancing the overall bathroom design. Warm white countertops and backsplash create a cohesive and elegant look for the kitchen. The kitchen features cabinets on both sides, One side is the primary area for cooking and washing, while the other side houses the pantry, extra storage, and refrigerator. The kitchen is equipped with a large sink, oven, gas stove, dishwasher, and microwave with a ventilation hood. It also includes a stylish undermount stainless steel sink with a sleek chrome faucet and a versatile pull-down spray head. The semi-open kitchen flows into the dining area and has plenty of space for a large fridge. The barn door, acoustic wood panels, and wall are all painted in a modern color, creating a seamless ultra-modern appearance. The barn door was chosen for the threshold of the living room to provide privacy and a cozy atmosphere. The spacious Murphy bed was selected to comfortably host multiple guests, perfect for family visits. In the living room, there are 3 windows that allow an abundance of natural light into the space.